Welcome to a week's worth in a vlog. I'm off to a workout class this morning, and then I'm going on a hike with a friend and music bingo with a few other friends for my friend's birthday. So it's a busy week, a few hikes, an interview, trying to get my work situated, seeing a couple of friends, and then my boyfriend will come over for the weekend, and we're gonna hopefully do some hikes and a few other activities. So I'll show you everything we do.
She told my baby we danced till 3, and she looked at me.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you too.
It's not, well, some people it's like 25 minutes or half an hour.
That's crazy.
So yeah, I don't know. I think you have to be